family. Thank you for our distinguished visitors from the state. Thank and his wife. Thank you for all the alumni that is here. All the organizers, coordinators that work together, work harmoniously to make this event a successful one. I promise myself, every graduation, I will not cry. I will not shed tears. Although my heart is so paining with the absence of our president. The strength I had, he taught me to be strong. If I will not be strong for you students, for you organizers, for those alumni. The president was diagnosed of multiple myeloma in 2019. But he told me, Rosalie, don't tell anyone, especially the organizers, that I am sick, that I am ill. I don't want them to lose heart. I want them to focus what God called them. For the sake of you students. The president loves you so much. He's working in the US. He's off 7 o'clock in the evening to do the lessons for you, for free. He sacrificed for you to be trained as the vision and mission of this Lifeline Bible College is to equip servant of God to be able ministers in the power of the Holy Spirit. So student, congratulations. God bless you. You done it. You go out. What you have taught in the LBC, apply it in your life, apply it in your family, apply it in your ministry. God bless everyone. Thank you so much.